Hi guys, my name is Tony. I'm with Backyard Buddy. I want to take a couple minutes here and explain some of the features of our wide buddy. And just in general, some of the benefits that you're going to find by buying a Backyard Buddy lift. Number one feature, built in the USA. Right here in Warren, Ohio is where these are all manufactured. We have local people working here, certified welders. This is a quality piece that you're putting into your garage. And so I want to start off first with our wide buddy lift. And I want to tell you some of the features that you're going to get. And it's been known with Backyard Buddy for years. It's been a name that you've heard of for years and years. And so outside slider design, number one, best out there. We're using a 4x4 post with a 5x5 sleeve on it. What that does is it completely wraps around this post, so you don't get that wiggle wobble that you get with the C-channel types that are out there on the market. You're going to notice on here that we have 3/8 size linkage rods. So your rods are the biggest on the market. Everybody else is using something less, but our Heims, they're huge. And it just helps the operation. When you operate these, they work very smooth. You're not worried about stepping on it and breaking them. Like some of the lifts out there, they just break off. And so that's a great feature that you're going to find on there. You're going to notice that we have secondary lock systems on all of our lifts here at Backyard Buddy. And what that is it's right here. So if a cable, when it's tight, this is your lock. When the cable's tight, it's open. If something went wrong with the cable and you have slack, then this is going to fire into that post and it's going to catch at the next lock. Whether you're holding open the main locks or not, it's not going to let this come to the ground or come down further and get you in trouble. So a secondary lock is a good thing to have on there. This one right here is our main lock, and you can see that goes directly into the post. It's just like a deadbolt that you see that inserts into the door. This inserts into this post. And the nice thing about the outside slider is we're containing all the strength of this post. So I'm not like the other companies that have a welded on tab, or we have a hanging ladder bar that hangs from the back. This is inserting right into the post itself, which is the most strength that you can have to be able to put that onto the locks. With this wide buddy lift, you get a set of 23-inch wide ramps. Now look at this. This is really wide, and the reason for that is when we're talking about this wide buddy, we're going for people that have the exotic cars. If you got the supercar, you know, they keep making them. They got the wide butts on them and they got the wide tires. And most lifts are 75 inches outside to outside. Well, you're going to have some of your tire hanging off of that runway, and that's not good on your tires for long-term storage. This wide buddy, from outside of plate to outside of runway, you're looking at 86 inches wide. So it gives you plenty of room to be able to set that exotic car up there without having your tires hanging off. And how easy is it to drive on to that and not have to be gnats on from outside to outside. And you're going to notice this ramp is wide as well. And so you take out your stop, and then you have a little tab here that's going to fit inside of here. We weld this block in here as well because it's extra support. You're going to notice when I turn this around that this ramp is all gusseted. So when you drive on it, all this is on your concrete giving you support. But you'll notice this is cut out here. So this block is going to support this outer edge, so when you drive on it, it's not bending it down. And so it's easy to install this. You'll notice we've cut some little handles for you to be able to pick this up nice and easy. And you're going to put the lip right in to insert it in, and they can stay attached if you want, or you can take them on and off every time. That'll be your choice. Moving on down, you're going to notice that we have a spring that attaches to our eyelet and then to a washer here. What the spring does, it's the snapback for the locks. So when you open up your locks to disengage them, and if something were to go wrong and you let go of that handle, this spring is going to spring them locks back against the lock engagement so that lock fires back into the hole. So you won't have to worry about, again, that lift coming down. You can rest assured, here at Backyard Buddy, we have a team of engineers that have designed and built these tracks to hold up to the weight that you're going to put on these. These are diamond tread. We have them all welded They've been inspected, all the welds are inspected. This is all for your assurance to know that whatever you put up here, these are built for that. You'll also notice that these tracks are 23.5 inches wide, as I mentioned a little bit ago, and a little over 16 foot long. So it's going to make it easily to put on your pickup that you want to put on there, or your exotic car that you want to put on there without having to move a track. On sometimes them skinnier tracks, you have to move them in and out. This one, you don't have to touch it. You'll be able to drive an MG midget up here as well as that exotic car that you have. A feature that I want to talk to you about on a Backyard Buddy lift is we have a secondary lock. It's this lock right here. You'll see that this cable comes down and rests against the pulley. So when the cable gets tight, right now it's resting on a lock, so it's loose. But when the cable gets tight, you're going to notice this is the secondary lock here. It goes tight, it pulls this lock open. So now, when it's tight, it's able to go up and down the post, no problem. But if a cable were to fail, now all of a sudden, this is going to, I'll move the cable out here, and you're going to watch this is just going to snap back because it's springs. We have springs in here that's going to make this lock engage into the post. So whether I'm on the side and I'm holding up my lock handle for the main locks and a cable failed, I have to think, oh, I got to undo that lock. Well, you don't have to worry about it because this lock is going to engage into the post, keeping this from ever coming down and getting you into trouble. Now, some other features you're going to notice is we have, this is our main lock here. It's a finger that goes into the post itself. That's sitting inside the post. It's kind of like a deadbolt where it goes right into your door, this going right into the post. Where our post is a 4x4 square post. And so this post, we have all of our structural and our strength built into that post, and our lock is going in there. You'll also notice on all of our axles, we have grease zerks. So when that pulley is turning, it's on a bushing, and you're going to be able to lube that bushing and keep it lubed all the time for longevity of these pulleys, not having to replace the bushings over a long time. Now walk me to the other side because I want to show you some details about our power unit and actually how the locks operate on this lift is what makes it a great feature with the Backyard Buddies. Another nice feature, our hydraulics here. You look at this hose, it's going to connect to a cylinder in there. That's built right here in Warren, Ohio. We give you a 5-year warranty, best in the industry, on our hydraulics, on the power unit, on the lift. So you can't beat that. Now I want to tell you one of the important parts of buying a Backyard Buddy lift. It's our lock mechanism. It's the best in the industry. You're going to see that it is a deadbolt lock that goes in there. Now I want to show you how this works. When I raise this up, this lock is going to move. When this handle moves just a little bit here, that tells me now that I can open up, push this handle down. This disengages all 4 locks on all 4 posts from one location. It's called a single point release. This is a mechanical lock. It's not an air. You don't have to go get your air compressor to operate it. This is just operated by your hand. So it's very easy to operate. And the reason it's the ease, you got nice big Heims that are all running this to make this very easily to operate. So now you'll notice it's open, the locks are hanging down, they're disengaged. So now it's as simple as just pushing the hydraulic release lever, and look how smooth this goes down. Now, when I'm ready to go up, I'm going to just let go of the handle, and then we'll raise this up. And what I want you to listen for is the lock firing into the lock hole. Now, do you hear that? There's no guessing if all the locks are engaged. You hear that because that's a strong fire back into the locks, and you want that. If something did go wrong, then you want them locks to go into the next available lock hole for safety. So now at this point, I'm not setting on a lock, right? All of my pressure's on my cables and the hydraulics are loaded. So when I'm storing a car or I'm working on the car, I want to lower this down, and you're going to see it nest right inside there. It's resting on this lock. I have downforce on there, slack in my cables, everything is there. Nobody can come and push this to open up the locks. It's secure until you're ready to lower it. You have to raise it up, disengage the locks, and then come down. Best lock system on the market. I want to show you some benefits about the underneath side of this Backyard Buddy that you don't see when you're just looking at it. So number one, I want you to see this valve right here. This is called a velocity valve. A better way to describe that is an anti-burst. So if a hose were to break, that has a valve in there that closes off the cylinder so the lift doesn't come down. And so you can that's another safety feature that we've done. If we had a hose break, we've got it covered. You also will notice that this is the vent to this cylinder. You have to have an air vent when the rod goes in and out. And so what we've done is we've vented this back to the power unit. So that's a nice feature. You also notice right here, these are cable keepers. You'll see the cable goes around the pulley, and then this bracket goes up beside it, so that cable cannot come off of that pulley. And that's a common thing in 4-post. You're coming down, the lift gets wumpy gone and out of order, all of a sudden the cable gets slack in it. When it happens, that slack pops off the pulley. Now it's rotating on this axle instead of the pulley, and it's going to cut the cable in two. Well, that can happen with Backyard Buddy because it's got this cable keeper wrapped completely around it. You'll notice that I talked earlier about the grease zerks. You have grease zerks on each one of your axles to be able to lube those bushings. They're on this side, and then we're going to show you the other end, some other things that are features about it. Another thing I want to point out to you that's a nice feature with the Backyard Buddy. See this square tube right here? This is a square rod all the way. This is your lock rod. When you open up the locks to disengage all 4 locks, this is using a square tube, and then we have a square coupler. So you'll notice this is a square end here, so this inserts in square to square, and on the other side of the coupler, it's square to square. There's no tolerance for that thing to move. Most of the other companies out there use a threaded rod, and they use a coupler and a jam nut. Well, sometimes they'll call and they'll say, oh, hey, I'm opening up one side of my locks, but the other side's not opening. It's because that coupler's come disconnected. This cannot happen, and it's ease of installation. When you put this in, the only thing you got to do is tighten down these 2 set screws, and it's done right. Another nice feature, you have your pulley block, right? Your cables are hooked to this block. Most of the companies out there, again, you have a honed cylinder. When this comes out, this wants to twist. And so you'll have metal hitting the bottom of your runway, and it's going to scratch it all up. I've seen some that are grooved because of this being turned and running up and down. Well, we put a nylon slider on top of that. It fits around that block. When this goes in and out, it stays square. It cannot touch metal to metal, just keeping your underneath the track looking very nice. I hope this has helped you today, some of the things that we've talked about to show you the benefits of the Backyard Buddy lift. When you're making a decision, I know you've searched on the internet, everybody tells you they've got the best lift out there. But hopefully we've showed you why we believe the USA Backyard Buddy lift is the best choice for you.